Hi and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Today I am standing in front of a wall which is having some geometrical pattern designs, and this is a kind of 3D design, isn't it? But could you believe that this design is made out of craft? Don't believe? Just see these two patterns. These are the diamond patterns created by craft paper, and whatever design you are seeing right now is nothing but the assembly of these pattern pieces. You assemble these pattern pieces in various forms and you can create n number of designs on your wall as a wall decoration, that too a 3D pattern and a geometrical pattern. It looks amazing. Your wall will look amazing by these kinds of 3D pattern. This is one such pattern, but I'm going to show you different patterns which are being designed for different walls. So let's see what kind of patterns we can make. So you will see various patterns made out of just these geometrical figures. So let's see. This is the pattern number 1, a kind of star pattern. Now let's see another pattern. Now this particular pattern, this is a kind of tile pattern, and this one also looks very nice. It's a diamond pattern, and this particular pattern is a kind of assembly of 3 diamond patterns together. Isn't it looking nice? This one is a beautiful V shape, as if it is a kind of a bird, but it looks very nice. And this one is a crown pattern, and this is a standard hexagon shape which is on the wall. So let's see how to make these twin pyramids and how to assemble these beautiful patterns for your wall decoration. So for making this 3D pyramids, we will be using these 3 craft papers, 3 types of craft papers, 3 different colors of craft papers of standard size, A4 size, 21 cm by 29 cm. I'm using 3 different colors, and I will be using 4 papers of each color to make pyramids. Also we will be using scale, cutter, or maybe scissor. So let's start with one single craft paper, how to make 3D pyramid. So let's cut this paper into square size paper. So fold this. So now let's see how to make folds of it. First, let's make a parallel fold on this side. Let's make another parallel fold on other side. Now let's fold this edge up to the center. Just open it up. Let's turn to other side and also fold this edge up to the center. Just again fold this edge and this edge. Now turn the paper around and just fold it to the reverse side. We are just making the edge sharp on this side, and just make this edge as a sharp fold and again open it up. So now our paper is like this. We are having these 2 folds towards the center. So just turn this paper like this. Now what we have to do is we have to fold this way, aligning it with the center and this edge. So fold it this way and press it hard. Just open it up. Just open this fold which got folded up and fold it to other side this way. Line it properly to the center and fold it hard. And again open up. Again open this fold. Same way we have to do it for this side also. So just fold this side this way. Align it to the center. Make these folds hard. Again open this fold up and now again fold this towards, aligning it to the center. Again press hard. Again open up and open this fold up. Now just turn the paper around. We are still folded at the center. Now just lift this top corner and fold this triangle inside, triangular fold inside this way, right? Now same way, turn paper around. We have to go to this corner, so just turn it around, and now opposite what we have folded here, again fold this opposite corner inside this way. Right, now what we have to do, just remember this fold very carefully. Now we have to lift this portion up, and this center portion you have to fold it from the back side like this, and we have to align it here, folding here, but not on the top of it, rather just pull this up and put it inside this way, and then put it inside, and then try to fold this edge inside this way, right? Just make your fold proper so that it will align properly, and fold it at these edges, forming a triangular shape like this. Likewise, come to the opposite side. Here also lift this portion from here this way, but don't fold it over it, rather lift this folded end and put it inside, align it this way, and try to fold this edge inside this way, and align these two folds, and now fold it from the center like this. Make these fold firm and open up, so you on the opposite side you are having a nice twin pyramid ready. So likewise you have to make these twin pyramids of all the papers what you will be having. So we are having total 12 pieces here. So what is the use of these pyramids? So we can make different designs by using these pyramids. Let's see what kind of shape we can make out of these pyramids. This is one such design which you can put it on your wall. So what's the use of these pyramids? That you can design it in different patterns, and you can put it on one cardboard and put it on the wall. It will look very nice. It's a 3D design. Let's see another pattern on which we can make different design. This is also simple star pattern which you can make. Let's see one more. This is also simple diamond pattern. I hope you like it, and I'm sure you will definitely love to make it on your own. So keep watching my channel and decorate your home with these beautiful ideas. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and send your feedback in comment section. Also click on bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.